and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to migrate animal icons over to the new Owner Icons feature. Custom icons in Gingr are a great feature that allow you to communicate important notes of information about animals and owners. In the past, you've been able to assign custom icons to animals. This allows you to communicate those important notes about animals. However, there was never an option to communicate important notes about customers until now. To accommodate for this, you may have in the past set up animal icons that communicate important notes about owners that you may want to migrate over to the new Owner Icons feature. To do this, we'll want to go ahead and follow a couple of steps. The first step is to go ahead and copy our animal icons that pertain to owners over to the new Owner Icons feature. To do this, we'll go to our left navigation to Admin, and we'll search for Animal Icons. From the Animal Icons admin page, we'll scroll down to the Custom Icons section, and we can search for any icons that we want to migrate. In this case, we have one that we'll go ahead and select. It's important to note that you can select as many icons as you want to bulk migrate multiple icons at once. When we select this icon, we see a new orange copy button that appears in the top right of the section. When we select this, we get a pop-up alert that asks us if we're sure that we want to complete this action. By copying over this icon, we will bring over the icon image, its color and title, any assigned icon group, and all of the enabled alerts that you have for that icon. We'll go ahead and copy this icon. To confirm that this icon was successfully copied over, we can see our success message, but we can also go to Admin and search for the new Owner Icons admin page. If we scroll down to the Custom Owner Icons section, we can see the icon that we just copied over. That's the first step in migrating these animal icons over to Owner Icons. Next, we'll want to go ahead and run a brand new report called the Icon Comparison Report. To run this report, we'll navigate over to the left-hand navigation, to Reports and More, and Reports. From the list of reports, we want to search for the Icon Comparison Report. The Icon Comparison Report allows us to run or generate a list of families that meet the criteria based off of icons. In this case, we want to see animals that have our needs to pay icon and owners that don't have that icon. We'll go ahead and generate this report, and we can see a list of results. The next step in this process is to review any important notes that are assigned to these icons for animals. You can see here that in this case, I don't have any important notes, which is great. If I did, I would go ahead and be sure to copy the notes over when adding these icons to owners. The next step here is to add these icons over to the owner. Right from the report, we can click the plus icon to add a new icon, just as if you were going to add an icon to an animal. We can see our icon that we copied over earlier. We'll go ahead and add it, and we'll repeat this action for all of the owners that need this icon. Now that all of our owners have this icon, and we've confirmed that any notes that are applicable have been copied over, we can remove these icons from the animals. This way, they don't appear in both places. To remove, we'll open up the Add menu, we'll select the icon that's already been added, and click the trash can icon. We'll repeat this action for all of these animals. Awesome. We've successfully migrated these icons over from animals to owners. The last step, which is completely optional, is to remove the icon type from the animal section altogether. To do this, we'll go back to our admin page on the left-hand navigation, and we'll go to the Animal Icons page. We'll scroll down to our Custom Animal Icons section, and we'll find the icon that we want to remove. We've already confirmed that all of the animals that need this icon migrated over have successfully had their owner icons assigned. We are sure that we no longer need this icon, so we can remove it. To remove it, we'll select this icon and delete the item. This ensures that the animal icon can no longer be assigned to animals and instead can only be assigned to owners. After that, you successfully completed the migration from owner icons, or animal icons rather, to owner icons. If you have any questions, let us know.